Hey everybody, this is Andrew from T is for Tech, and today I just want to do a quick video. I did a unboxing and initial first look of this StartRC Z-axis stabilizer for the DJI Osmo Pocket a few days ago, over the weekend I think. Already lost track of time, but I did that. And one of the things I was going to follow up on was actually some video of the device in action. So this is just a quick video. I went and walked kind of around a little outdoor lake area, park area today, and I had a combination of video where I used the Z-axis stabilizer and where I was just holding the Osmo Pocket with my hand without the stabilization. So I'm just going to do a couple of those. I'll subtitle underneath, what method I was holding it, and hopefully we can get a little bit of a conclusion on whether or not the Z-axis stabilizer actually helps. So we'll jump over, see some of the videos, and then I'll follow up at the end with some thoughts. So this is recording and walking 4K 30, handheld, not using the Z-axis stabilizer. So now this is using the Z-axis stabilizer. So this is using the Z-axis stabilizer. Now, hopefully you can tell that there was quite a bit of difference with the Z-axis stabilized footage compared to the beginning of the video where it was just holding it in my hand. There was definitely a lot more of an up and down bobbing motion in the handheld footage, and it was smoothed out, I would say, quite a bit, at least from my eyes, with the Z-axis stabilizer. So you might want to kind of go back and forth between those two video points. I'll set the video index in the description so it's easier to jump back and forth. but I think it worked pretty well. And then I did videotape the gimbal in my hand with my phone, my OnePlus 7 Pro, as I was walking towards the lake there and the end with the stabilized footage, and I try to match it up pretty well, with what the actual Osmo Pocket was recording. So you can see that there's quite a bit of bounce up and down with the Z-axis, that it's just kind of smoothed out there. So I think it actually works pretty well. So if you have any questions, go ahead and post those below. If this was helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel. I'll probably do some more footage in the future. It was a little bit windy. I apologize for some of the wind noise in that video, but I didn't want to put music behind it and just it's kind of mask over everything. I just wanted you to kind of see the footage as it was recorded. So again, this is Andrew from TS for Tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.